Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to spoiler text in Discord mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, go to the server or DM where you want to send the message. Type your message with spoiler tags. To make text a spoiler, just wrap it with two vertical bars on the both sides like this. Type anything you want. After that, tap send. Here you can see a spoiler text. When you send the message, others will see a blurry box. They have to tap to reveal. If you want to spoiler an image, tap on the plus icon next to the message box. Select any image you want. Tap on the image. Here you can see an option marked as spoiler. Tap on it and then tap send. Now the image will be hidden until someone taps to reveal it. And that's it. Whether it text or image, you now know how to spoiler things on the Discord mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.